Bonjour de Paris. Monday the 8th of January, and Paris is beautiful. Such a pretty city, loads to see. So we've just done the Louvre. It was really busy, and we did it in 45 minutes. There's just a few things we wanted to see. I wanted to see the Winged Victory of Smothris and La Venus de Milo, and of course the Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa was so busy, so many people trying to see it, and there's a protest going on, and no idea what they're protesting about. I'm not really too sure what we're doing after. Claire, you're hungry, are you?
Yeah. Is that guy peeing in the bushes?
That guy peeing in the bushes. Dodgy character. So yeah, I'm going to get some food now, I think. Take a wee wander. Okay, so this big wheel behind us, we were going to go on it, but there's no prices and there's very few people queuing up, so that's a bad sign. So what we're going to do instead?
The tower.
The Eiffel Tower. And we were going to do it tomorrow, the 9th, Tuesday the 9th, but that's Claire's birthday. But the weather's looking a bit rubbish for tomorrow. And because the sun's coming out, we're going to go take a chance just now. So that should be good. Bonjour, ça va? So we just tried to order food in French for the first time. I think we did okay.
I think she laughed at us.
She laughed at us, but we tried. So we said croque monsieur, which is that, et deux croissants, s'il vous plaît, plus 2 croissants. So we have croissants and 2 bottles of water. So that was what, €11? Wow! Do you see Claire's face there? Look at that. How's the croque monsieur, Claire?
Tasty.
Yeah, am I getting some?
Yeah.
That cronk. What's it? What's it called? Croque? Oh no, what's it called? That croque monsieur was really good. Oh no. We've got croissants now to try. Right, let's get them in the belly. Ooh, yum, like it one.
Ooh.
Really?
Pretty tasty.
Oh.
Buttery.
Very buttery. What a view for our lunch though, look at this. Eiffel Tower! Claire, you feeling fit?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. Taking the steps to the 2nd floor, and then we'll take a lift to the top. First floor done, so we're going up now. More stairs. Here we are. That didn't take long at all.
No.
5 minutes of hard work and moving it here. Champagne we'll ever drink.
Champagne, macarons, Eiffel Tower. Right, I think that's the chocolate macaroon. You're gonna go first.
Yeah.
Don't eat it all.
I like the Aldi ones.
Not bad. So, pistachio flavour now, Claire, on you go. No. Not bad. I'd have that again. No.
Well, fruity.
Very sweet. What's your favourite?
The chocolate one.
Yeah, chocolate for me too.
Pound each.
€3.50 in the shop downstairs. They were €13 each.
Each?
Yeah, barely a mouthful of champagne. But special occasion for Paris. Birthday tomorrow though.
What goes up must come down, eh? Let's do it. That was awesome. Eiffel Tower is done. Did you enjoy that, Claire? Yeah, I think that's the best thing I've ever done in a city break holiday. Loved it. I thought it was brilliant. So, what are we going to do now? Go for food or something. I'm getting peckish after all that. So, if you ever do come to the Eiffel Tower, take the stairs. Brilliant, really good fun. Very rewarding once you get to the first floor, then the second floor, then you take a lift from the second up to the summit. Well worth it, make sure you do it. Arc de Triomphe. There's the Arc de Triomphe, and we're doing that tomorrow. We're going to get a drink somewhere. We're knackered. Pushing 20,000 steps today. Hard rock done, another one to add to the collection. T-shirt bought. Dinner time, we're going for steak frites. Nice. More like? Where?
It's like pesto.
What, the sauce? Get in my belly. Okay, we found this place on TripAdvisor, and a lot of people that we watched online on YouTube were raving about that place. What do you think?
Yeah, it's alright.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah? It's alright. I thought it was great myself. So it was 3 courses, 2 portions of steak frites, which I thought was really good. Yeah, tasty. So we're now going to go try and look at the Eiffel Tower all lit up. Both really tired. We've walked how many steps? 26. Can you see that? Oh no. Can you touch that button? Oh no, see the button on the side? 26,000 steps today.
Oof.
So, quick wee swatch of the Eiffel Tower lit up and then it's home to bed.
Yeah, you can take a look. Wow! Oh.
I'm not even going to look at my camera, I'm just going to look at that.